Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what the next mythical epic looks like. I have had a picture of this for 4 days now. I haven't shown it because I was told not to by somebody because it would ruin the game, but since Freezik did it, I'm going to do it. So on the 18th we got a picture of this. It looks like it has claws and stuff. And it kind of looks like a wolf, but it's not. If we go here, you can see August 18th. Here's a screenshot of it. This is what it looks like. It has brown eyes, sort of like leaves or a mushroom thing on the back. I really like the face. This skull looks really cool. It has like round teeth kind of, and then it has antlers. I thought they were going to be yellow, but they're white, like bones. So yeah, that is the mythical epic. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and